What dun dun?
Ha? Sa monkey.
Hey. Yo, what? Kaponggol kangkon.
I grew
Kaponggol
up
kangkon.
watching
Natural,
Gigas.
television.
natural yan. Wallpaper. 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 Yo, roots ka to Jurassic Pack. Ito,
Six Black.
Really dito
Six
po
Flag.
bilang yung Jurassic Black.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Need to stand. Stand up.
No, no, na Six Black.
Yup. Nom na Six Black.
Oh shit.
Hey, it's Sam Jr. Hi, Janor.
Name seven. YouTube, we.
Baby, baby, there. Baby, there.
Nanti pas Six Black.
Baby, there. Inapuga wa bani shine shoro.
I like seeing the tallest. Oh,
That's Baby. Baby is the tallest. The guy laying down is the
Taki, where are
tallest.
you guys from, Taki? No, like, where do you live at, though, in America?
I stay in Seattle.
Um, I'm originally
Of
from,
this
I
yes
grew up with a
too.
lot of Chuukese
this is
people.
your bus. Hey,
No, he's from Philippines.
sorry.
Who's the shortest?
The shortest is the one laughing. He's the funniest too.
Oh, for real? Who's the one that said they're from Seattle?
Ewe janjare bora. Ewe wari awash.
Yee. Only study I was one.
Is his mouth red? Is he eating, like, the beetle nut thing, or no?
He's wearing
No,
makeup.
he's half Korean, so his lips are like naturally red.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm from Hawaii, so there's a lot of immigrants. Why are you making my
do
thing big?
Hawaiians like Micronesians?
Huh?
Do Hawaiians like Micronesians?
What do you mean? I'm not Hawaiian, though.
Oh, I thought you said you were Hawaiian.
No, I said I'm from Hawaii.
Oh,
So there's a lot of Micronesians in Hawaii. Yeah, but yeah, what you said, like a lot of people, yeah, a lot of the islander people, they don't like Hawaii, they don't like Micronesians back home.
oh, what? That's
Yeah, they don't.
racist.
Mm,
That's
I
so
don't know why
rude.
though. They said they don't like them because I don't know. They
Violence?
be yeah, they be stabbing people
I
for no
knew it.
reason. But where
But
I'm
it's not all
from,
Micronesians that are like that.
yeah, but where I'm from, it's like
Yeah,
nothing
like
but
look at the guys in that big
I
box.
live in Marriotts and there's like
Oh,
what am I gonna do there? Uh-huh.
Man, you can get up.
wow. She can do
Dito ka to
those.
na nafiraway. It was shit there.
Whoa!
Wow. She can fly.
Which one you flying or running up?
He said,
Running out the house.
babe. Yeah.
You run up.
Yeah, but I'm 6'5". Yeah, I'm pretty tall.
Say what?
You're 6'5"?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, that is tall.
That's for the shortest one.
You mentioned
Who is the shortest again? Really? Setting up. You're gonna have to bend down to hug him.
Bend down a hug him.
Kiss it, kiss it.
Isi na siapa ya?
I
Sarangit
told you
teh.
that baby. No, because it's snowing outside again, bro.
It's snow. It does not. I want that kid.
Lady Naka, say hi to baby.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Yes, up, Nick.
He's scared.
Kurang
What is
suante.
that? That one.
First time with her?
Ada suara nang narot.
There's also a lot of Micronesians in my school. Too.
What happened?
There's a lot of Micronesians in Seattle.
Kalau si seri
Yeah.
di rokara jeruk gawi.
I'm one of them.
Yeah?
I used to stay in Kent.
Si Saban.
206 all the way.
Why
Boleh
are you?
di rokara
Are they in
jeruk gawi
Micronesia right now?
Huh?
Are they in the islands right now?
Uh-huh. They're in the
There's
islands.
like a lot back home and a lot here.
And what are they doing in the islands?
Probably like keeping the house secure and keeping the land secure.
Oh, they're watching that.
Oh, one thing is we don't have homeless.
Iya, dia disebut di kisah warah.
So do you guys have like
Everybody has their own
villages?
lands and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah, like clans.
clans.
It's like clans to clans.
Huh?
And how much is a dollar in Micronesia?
It's just American
A
currency.
dollar.
Is it American
Yeah.
currency?
Yeah, it's just American currency.
Oh, that's like and see in American Samoa it's like that, but in Western Samoa it's like $3 in American.
Really?
Yeah, a dollar is $3.
Oh,
They
damn.
drink Herbalife for life.
We drink Herbalife. It's for the boom boom.
For the boo.
For the boo boo.
Boom boom to go boom boom.
Where's this the Rensu team?
Yeah, that's them.
Shoot. Let's go fight too.
So, Uma.
No, that guy's from Ulap.
Oh,
DX
it's
ko.
me too.
Na, thing.
David. Ah, dinay, what the fave?
Ngagati pegiti.
Nga rice you at the pig, you know.
Ini si tegara baby. Baby. Si cekok si dai pakai so. Gini. Lagi si.
Itan,
Yore. Ora. Ira ni item nil.
Hi baby.
So, nangaya lang ito.
Hi
anyway,
baby.
anyway.
Huh? Huh?
I baby.
Is that my brother?
Hi,
Baby.
baby.
Hi, baby. Yeah. What ka ba
Give
pero?
five you ba?
Yay!
Mm.
Why you fly? You fly.
Anger.
Oh, ya pogada ninguém se. Navy. Is it a considered? If I wait till Navy? Navy. Yeah. Ya pogada.
Live host, can you make my box bigger?
Yan na ba tayo ba? Send. Send. Sige, sige, siguro send.
See, I could have been in Micronesia setting for your team. I could have been in Micronesia setting for your team.
Oh, Cararoso.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Baba, terus udah mau cerita. Ah, mai kang nag-red baby, ganyan yun. Nagkala ka kiss po sa rito. Diba, thank you. This is the middle hitter. Oh, what the? This guy is the liberal. Power hitter. Baby, baby. Maya tadi ko kurang suara. Yan ito pang
Never
gumutmur.
shrimp. Oh, bujaru akara.
Mulai ye pick sound. Seed sound. Hindi. Fossil guys.
Laja Christ, bro. Chop.
Say no pa magsakulara guys. Oh, patos surut.
Team Chuukese.
Kay
Ish.
pangako pa
I
kita.
only.
Say Shaban. Irara rice ren. Baby. What's it get it?
Ready na
I,
ye
I
did
want.
too.
I want the one in the red hat.
The what?
Say it again.
I want. I want him. That one. I just. I just want you for. I just. I'm looking for a good time, not a long time. Okay.
Eh,
Just a good time, not a long time. I can send you more than a galaxy.
Um,
eh.
question away.
I can send you this bomb ass. No.
Anyway,
What's his
six,
name?
six.
What's
Hide
his
again,
name?
six.
The one with the hat on, the red hat. What's your name?
Kiopas.
Kyo, but what? How?
Kiobas.
Kyo, but
Kung gusto ka naman
is he married?
six.
Kyo, but are you married? Yeah, he's married.
Yes na.
Ewa, ewa. Usap pa
Uh,
fitigiri, baby. Oh.
oh, is that your little brother down there?
They got good at rice.
A universe.
Hey.
What's funny?
Yeah. Order kurara rice.
Oh
Hello,
yeah,
everyone.
no, I want this one in the blue hat actually.
Max.
You want everyone.
Yeah, I want all
Take
of
all of them.
them.
Take all
I
of
like
them.
animals.
Yeah, I'm an animal. I'm a pig.
Oh.
I'm an animal. You like animals? I can be a pig. You can cook me and eat me.
Hey, stay flag. It's a fighting.
Oleh pebu bekerja wangira katik na foro.
Oh.
Yan, teriya mo ka na.
Hello, uncle.
Eh,
The blue one, the blue hat one. He's from Hawaii, right?
Yeah, he's half
Yes.
Hawaiian, half Chuukese.
Say
I
malo,
have
malo.
I have cousins that are half Samoan and half Chuukese.
He's half
kaya ka.
Hawaiian, half Chuukese. He was born in
I'm
Oahu.
Samoan.
No, where are you from? And are you from Kalihi?
I'm Samoan.
Warau.
No, but I said where are you from though in Hawaii?
Half Samoan.
I'm from KPT,
Oh hell no! Fuck.
the rich part.
No,
The
I'm from
rich
where all
part.
the Micronesians are from. I'm from Merritt. That's where I'm
M
Yee.
those.
M Dub
America.
housing. Yeah. That's like
Hey,
Micronesiaville over there.
KPT.
It's ghetto
No,
as fuck. No, it is hella
no,
ghetto.
no. KPT got everything.
No, but I heard that they fixed it, right?
It's like the mall now.
Mm, he said like the mall. Shut the- where you stay at? You stay high rise or low rise?
Yeah, you know,
Yeah, I'm just looking for a good time, not a long time. KPT.
KPT got girls acting like men. Ew.
Oh, not in KP, not KPT.
That's a good way.
Gizaroro mit nairo.
Is that
Órale.
true?
Rage would
KPT.
zirin. Good time jug yesha panang time.
KPT.
Yes, sir. Manen.
KPT. No, I don't. You fucker. No, I just want the
Kapantera
one.
rice.
I just want the blue hat one just for a little bit, just like 5 minutes. That's it.
Oops.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just want the mouth.
For 5
That's all I
minutes.
want.
5 minutes of your time.
I just want your mouth.
What are you gonna do with the mouth? Sit on it?
I don't know.
Puros na
Yeah.
tayong
You're not gonna get banned. You're not gonna get banned. I invented TikTok. It's attacking. Why don't you text me later? I'll be back. Wait, no,
Oh,
let me
yes.
come. I'm gonna text Team Chuki. But if you send them gifts, can they exchange it out there in Micronesia or not? In Chuki?
No, you just got to cash app.
What happened? What happened, Daddy?
Gasap takir. Pidi ka ni.
Left. And the tira 80.
Gasap na. Pugisap ka pa budget.
All
Send money.
right, hold on. Let me go get my. I need to go and recharge
Cash
my
app. Cash
account.
app.
Hold on.
I'm a gold digger.
That's okay. You ain't gonna dig too much. I'm not gonna give you. You can be a gold digger. Just give me your mouth. That's all I want.
You wait.
And
You
his
see
mouth.
the she said that. Wait on it.
Oh, is he the setter? The one laying right there? I want to see the setter.
Wait.
Get
Gotta.
somebody regular.
So is it hot like all year long in Chuukese?
Dito.
Nito may which.
Meto, may which. Niye bu reparation
Hello.
period? Niye bu? Niye bu sa polino? Ay polano. What? Hey, where's the money?
Yan na walang yan.
Aww.
The one in the middle is spicy.
Yeah.
Not fucking KPT needing a gift.
Kids, bui.
Wait, why do they need a gift? I thought they just flew there to Chuukese. Do they live there? Do they live over there?
School face.